Alright, here's my Central Machinery slash Harbor Freight 20-ton shop press. I bought this a couple years ago, maybe 1-2 years ago. I was using it to push out valve guides on my Gravely T-heads. It's a pretty good press. It's not bad. It's for the price. I got it normally in Harbor Freight. It's $1.99. I got it with a coupon for like $1.60 or something like that. I've seen it for cheaper recently. It's all relative to what sales they got going on. Overall, I'm happy with it. Haven't used it a ton, but I am happy with when I have used it. But here we are. I'm going to try to use it to push out my shaft, my center shaft on my steering wheel. So basically, it comes with obviously the whole setup. Then it also comes with these two heavy plates that have different cutouts for depending on the type of material you want to support. Basically, I have a V under this side, so the shaft is really tiny, so it's jacked into this side. So hopefully the majority of it is on this. Hopefully this thing doesn't tip, and hopefully it's getting enough support pretty much from here on this side. So I'll find out. I don't have a lot of materials to, that would be able to withstand the press. So, like I said, I tried using the splitter on this, and didn't budge it. So let's see if 20 tons can push it out. So let me set it up. So, oh well, there goes nothing. So it is jacked into one side. So I don't know if I want to keep going because I see the lower arm pushing. So instead of destroying it, I need to get better support. So let me hold off for now and let me get something, see if I can figure something out to better support this. Because it's, I don't know if you can see it, but that's tipping to that side, meaning the plate that I'm supporting basically only on this side is starting to curl under on the side that's not being supported. So let me see if I can figure something out. Alright, I'm back at it. For a couple weeks later from that original take where it was jacking over, wasn't supporting it correctly. So instead of risking destroying the steering wheel, which I, obviously I'm trying to not destroy it. So I had a buddy of mine, like I said, make up some blocks that were, have a, basically just drilled a hole in a block of aluminum and then cut it in half, so two halves that will get closer to the center and basically support this. So we're going to give it a try. It's a little narrow. It's there must have been something, the pinion, it must have been turned down on the bottom of the where the bottom of the shaft where the pinion is, because that measured basically 5/8, 625. But when I just put it on the shaft, it's obviously bigger than that. You can see it's supposed to close on it. But let's give it a try and see if it's good enough. Something happened. Something happened. Let me back it off and take a look. Well, it definitely moved. There's definitely shaft definitely moved. So let's I'll keep going with it. So which is good. So I'm gonna go back down. let's try it again. Put some goggles on here. Back away. Got movement. So it's moving. It's funny, it's not. Huh. Let's take a quick look. Well, it's definitely moved. So now it's just a matter of, I'm going to give you a better look here. So as you can see, it's flush now, so I got to get a smaller pin to push it through. So let me go find one and we'll restart. All right, got a smaller pin. It's a knockout pin, so I'm going to try that. Actually, I'm gonna put something over there just in case. Towel or something. Give me a second. All right, I know it's you guys can't see anything, so I'm, it's like covering up the best part, but you guys aren't in the room, so I just need to protect myself just in case that pin shatters or something. I have, a face mask, whole head guard on, but no need to take chances. You'll hopefully see the end result and I don't impale myself. All right, the thing that flew down was basically the old pusher rod. Take a quick peek. Moving. You can see it's moving when we get out of the light. So it's going down. So let me get some PB Blaster or something. Liquid wrench. Give me a second. Looks like it worked. Good. All right, moved it. Yeah, this is why, didn't want to, well, it's not that rusty, so, but man, this sucker didn't want to come off. So I'm gonna go, maybe use the bearing puller and see if I can get, push it out. All right, I'm gonna go switch it around. All right, actually I just threw it back onto the, one or two more, pump humps of the, what you call it, the jack. Here's a closer view of the steering wheel. Like I said, I don't know what the diameter of this is. It's obviously above 5/8. Probably should measure that rather than the other part, but didn't realize it was turned down. So, but you know, it's got some cracks in it. There's a crack right here. I don't know if I did that from removing it, but it's in decent shape. I can't complain. These cracks were this one and this one were part of it when I got it. So it's not bad. I got to make sure I don't lose this key, but now the key is to get the rest of this crap off. So we'll see how that does. I gotta go knock out this woodruff key. I'll be back. All right, so let's see if I can get this better view for you guys. So here's the, so here's the whole shaft. Got everything off. Here's the, bastard end. That's the top section of the pinion. So where I cut off the pinion off. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to save this shaft. I don't know. We'll see. I'll talk to a buddy of mine who I've been talking with about it. So see if it's worth saving the shaft and we just weld on the extension and then the new pinion on it, or just get a new shaft. So, but well, finally got the steering wheel off and using the 20-ton Harbor Freight. So it's a decent little press. A little on the scary side, but gets the job done. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.